Namaskara friends, this is Santosh helping you to learn Kannada in simple ways. Today I will teach you a word which will be very useful for you whenever you are purchasing a product, an item or a service. It is how much. How much. In Kannada we call it as ಎಷ್ಟು. ಎಷ್ಟು. Let's see couple of examples. How much is this book? How much is this book? ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? Let's say you want to talk to a auto person. I want to go to temple. How much? I want to go to temple. How much? ನಾನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು? ನಾನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು? Follow me and subscribe to my channel Fast Track Kannada to keep learning Kannada. Thank you. Bye bye.